Hey there, future innovators! The digital world is waiting for you to explore it. Are you ready to unlock the magic of AI and coding? Get set to launch your adventure with Codingal. In a world where AI is everywhere, from chatbots to self-driving cars, learning to code isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. Coding helps kids understand how AI works, create smart apps, and develop the problem-solving skills needed for the future. That's why coding is essential for every child in the age of AI. In our course for grades 11 to 12, you'll explore web development and Python programming, turning your innovative ideas into impactful digital creations. Welcome to Codingal, a place where kids fall in love with AI and coding and turn their big ideas into reality. Join us on a transformative journey where every milestone unlocks a brand new coding superpower. Welcome to AI and Coding Champion level, your first step toward mastering real-world coding skills. Start by learning HTML fundamentals, where you build web pages using structure tags, headings, links, tables, images, media, semantic sections, and fully functional forms. Then move into CSS styling, mastering colors, typography, gradients, box model, and positioning to design polished, professional-looking pages. Level up with Bootstrap, using responsive grids, containers, utilities, cards, carousels, and ScrollSpy to create modern, mobile-friendly websites and portfolios. Next, bring your web pages to life with JavaScript, working with variables, functions, loops, arrays, objects, DOM manipulation, and validation. Building interactive projects like a full website and a calculator, bank-style app. Finally, begin your journey into Python, exploring data types, conditionals, loops, functions, turtle graphics, data structures, OOPs, file handling, and GUI basics using Tkinter. Complete these 8 modules to earn your AI and Coding Champion certificate, your first badge on the path to becoming a confident, real-world coder. Finally, step into AI and Coding Prodigy, where your journey moves beyond coding basics into real-world data, AI, and software development. Begin with data science, learning NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn to clean, analyze, and visualize datasets. You'll work through hands-on projects like housing rent prediction, weather data visualization, and the iris dataset analysis. Advance into machine learning, exploring data pre-processing, regression, classification, logistic regression, recommendation systems, gradient descent, and accuracy metrics, building working ML models from scratch. Then build real applications with Flask, including weather apps, location maps, login systems, shopping cart apps, file uploaders, and automated email tools. Finally, strengthen your programming foundation with Java, mastering data types, control structures, OOPs, inheritance, interfaces, and exception handling, leading into applied projects like Codingal banking services. Complete these 16 modules to earn your AI and Coding Prodigy certificate, proof of your growing mastery in data science, machine learning, Flask development, and Java. At Codingal, every lesson is more than just coding. It's an adventure in learning. Each project boosts your critical thinking, sharpens your problem-solving skills, and turns challenges into victories. Learning here feels like play, and every small win builds unstoppable confidence. Parents, imagine a learning space where your child enjoys personalized classes, gains lifetime access to class videos and resources, and takes part in engaging quizzes, gamified lessons, and regular doubt-clearing sessions. That's the Codingal difference, a holistic approach that nurtures creativity, sparks curiosity, and prepares young minds for a digital future. And don't just take our word for it. Listen to the inspiring stories from families who have seen Codingal transform their child's learning journey. So, are you ready to take the first step toward unlocking your child's coding superpowers? Book a free trial today and let your child experience the magic of Codingal firsthand. Ignite passion, creativity, and endless possibilities with every lesson. Your AI and coding adventure starts now.